Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. I am back with another video and today I'm gonna create some camera raw filters in Photoshop, and I have also created some presets for you guys that you can use on your photos. So in this video I will show you how you can create your own presets in Photoshop. So let's get started. So what you need to do here is think about what type of theme you need in your photo. For example, you want it more saturated or less, you wanna add some vibrance to it, or you wanna change some color like blue to cyan, etc. And once you have an idea, then just open the camera raw filter and start playing with values, just like I am about to do in front of you guys. So I guess that's it for this one, and now I will create another one. Let's see how it goes. I have created a few more presets for you guys. In order to use them, all you need to do is download the presets from the link given in description, then unzip the folder and copy it. Then go to C drive and check hidden folder from the view menu. Then go to program data, Adobe, camera raw, settings, Adobe and presets, and then paste your folder here and refresh your system. Now go to Photoshop and enjoy your presets. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I hope you will like the presets too. Let me know in the comment section what should I create next. If you have any questions, you can ask me on Instagram, and if you are interested in receiving monthly articles and resources just like these presets, then you can subscribe to my monthly newsletter, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.